Hello my Sparries, it's Keisha Simsima. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will be missing a lot because I have a lot and tons of stuff to show you guys. And if you are my diehard Sparries, then welcome back also to you. So today I will be showing you one of my thrift haul. Honestly guys, I had to break it up in so many different areas. I didn't know that I did so much thrift shopping, even though most of them are spanking brand new, but I did a lot of thrift shopping and I just want to show it to you guys. So I break up a lot of it. I'm going to show you guys some bags that I collected probably within the last month. And so I break it up, and now I'm gonna, hey guys, I will be showing you my accessories haul. I honestly had to break it up because it was too overwhelming for me to do like an entire thrift video for March. Just too much. There was summer stuff, there is like spring stuff, there's winter stuff, there is like accessories, there's shoes, there's everything that you can think of. So I had to break it up. So if you want to see what I have to show you guys, stay tuned. So guys, my first one that I wanted to show you is this peekaboo. Is this it's like a makeup container or a makeup storage, and it's by Estee Lauder. And I really love it. It's like in the color gold. I love like the angle here. It's not clean. It looks like it would have been new, but I never had it. I'm not sure if it's not clean inside. I will have to clean out the inside. I don't know what that white thing is, but I've been looking for a storage for quite a long time because I have my stuff all over the place in the washroom, on my desk, all over the place, and I just wanted to organize my things. So this is a good organizer for my makeup. So that's why I got it. And this was purchased at TALIZE as usual, and the price for it, I paid $4.99. And the other one, so the second one that I have is this. Guys, I really love this bag. This is by Stella McCartney, and you know Stella McCartney is a real good brand. For some reason I feel like my video is too dark. It's like after 12 in the night right now, but I have to do something. So here is the bottom of it that you can open and have some extra storage. This is the name in silver, Stella McCartney. It is a backpack, and it's like you can bring it like this. And it's also, no, it's not a backpack. All this time I thought it was a backpack. It's like a shoulder bag, and it has the drawstring here. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys the inside. I got it a while now, and I've been using it as storage to store some of my stuff that I've thrifted. And this is the inside. It has a lot of storage pockets inside here. Let me try and open it. Yeah, a lot of storage right here. And I think I will be using this a lot during the summertime. So I'm really happy with what I got. And yeah, that's it for this. Moving on to hats, you guys. The first one that I've purchased was this hat. I really love it. I'll try it on and show you guys how it looks on the head, but I really love it. It's brand new, and I don't know who it's by. It was wool. It's like 100% wool, and it was it says made in China. But I really love it because the color is like charcoal gray, and it can be worn with any and everything. It's almost like it's like the new black, call it that. I wish I can find something like this in the tan color or nudish color, but yeah, I'm still looking. So this is it, guys. Here's how this hat look on the head, and absolutely in love with it. And it can go with a lot of stuff. So just want to fix up your hair and do a lot of things with it. You can wear it to the back. You can do the Michael Jackson. Yeah, I'm bad, you know it, you know it. Who's bad? My second hat, you guys, that I have is this blue hat. I love it, and it has this tan band around it with the bow at the front of it. And this hat is by, if you can see, SPADE. SPADE, yes. And I paid $29 for it, and again you can see it is brand spanking new. So not everything in the thrift store is old and ratty, whatever they call that word, but I try to look for new stuff and lightly worn stuff. And this one was for $29.99, and I'm pretty sure at the store you wouldn't get it for this one. I'm gonna make sure that I put the link for, or something similar, or something more like this, or this exact hat, where you can see the price. And if you want to purchase something like this, you know where to go. It is from SPADE, and let's try it on and show you guys how it looks. I think it goes like this. And especially in the warm summer, during the warm time, during the summertime, this would look so cute, so cute. And I am absolutely, again, in love with it. There you go. The third hat that I have here to show you guys is this little hat. It reminds me of those ones that you can those horses, like those trainers would wear, those horse trainers. They would wear these hats, or those, or whomever likes to ride horses and stuff like that. These are the hats and stuff they normally wear. I was planning on putting like a fur on top of this. I'll show you guys, because I will be DIYing it on my channel, so you guys will see how you can take like a plain looking old jean hat and turn it into something fancy and cute. And this is in the color black, and it has again a band around it with some jewels somewhere on the side of it here. So it kind of, and the band goes all the way around, so it beautifies the hat. And this one I paid $3.99 for it, and it's in the brand Health Renfrew, and you know Health Renfrew is quite expensive, so I think this was a good buy. And let's see how it looks. It looks so tiny, but let's see how it looks on the head. I think this is also cute. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. I love this hat. Oh my gosh, I love this hat. I love it. 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 I love it, guys. I am in love with this hat. I didn't try it. This is my first time trying these stuff on, and I am absolutely again in love with this hat. Love it. And can you imagine that fur bow on top of this? Oh, that is gonna take it from a 0 to 100. I love it. And going on to my fourth hat, you can see, guys, this is a very long haul. This is my fourth one with the gray, the black, and another bow, but this time it's with silver. around it, and again you can see it's absolutely new and I've never been worn before, and I paid $7.99, and again you can see that this is by the brand Calvin Klein, and I think the thrift angel was with me during this time of shopping. I enjoyed it, and I think that's why I went overboard. But let's see how this look on the head. Guys, I think it is cute. It is cute. Oh my gosh, I will be doing ads off all summer long. This is so cute AF. Can't believe I say that word, but this is so cute. I really like these ads that I bought. Let's check out some more ads, because there's many more. Yes, trust me, there's many more. And this is ads. It's my 5th ad, I believe. My 5th one. You know what? I'm not gonna even keep track of counting because there's so many of them. And this one is, it's been worn. It's been worn a little, not much, but this is my 5th one, and this is for $4.99, and this is by the brand Obey. Yeah, I've gotten good luck with these hats and caps at the thrift store, and I have to just size it up a little bit because I like to wear my head fully covered. And let's see what it looks like. I wear a lot of hats, especially when I have a bad hair day. See what it looks like. This is like a cap. I'm feeling it, honestly, but I'll see what I'll see. Yeah, I don't know if I'm quite feeling it. Probably it needs to go a little bit lower on the head. Probably it's just too small. Probably it's a kid size. If it is, then I'll give it to my son. But yeah, this is how it looks. I feel like it needs to go a little bit lower. Probably it's too small for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one to my son. It looks like it's a little bit small. Yeah. And on to the other ones. Another cap for you is this. I know, I hope I don't mess it up, because I really love it. It's this. I wanted to try it on already. So this one is for $9.99, and I just had to get it because I've been loving the Champion brand lately, and I've been hunting them down lately, and somebody's coming in. So I've been loving the Champion brand lately, and I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on the head. Don't mind my face, guys. It's just that someone is walking in that I don't quite like. And they're too rude, and they might say something rude, so just an heads up if they say anything rude. But I really love this one. The other one, as you can see, was too small for my head, so I will be giving that one to my son. But this one, I think it's really cute, and it is really cute. Do you like my smile? I know, I like it too. I really do like this ad. I really do. It looks so cute. Yeah. Oh, thank God it's not messy. Okay, and I have another one to show you guys. Yeah, another Champion. Is it? No, it's not. All this time I thought it was a Champion ad. Oh my gosh, it's not. I'm so disappointed. Yet I think it's still cute. Oh my goodness, this looks so cute on. Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I think this is so cute. This is my favorite cap. This is my favorite. I never thought I would like it this much, but this is so cute on. Holy gravy. Holy. I look cute. Yeah. And we're almost through with the ads. Almost. Ow. Scratch myself. Almost through with the ads. This is another one that I purchased for my daughter, but she doesn't think that it's appropriate for her to wear, but it's all good. I can wear it for her. It's brand new again, as usual. Well, most of my stuff, as I said, that I purchased, they're almost new or brand new. And I just love it. I love the pink. I love the fact that it says sexy and it's brand new. And let's see if it's gonna be like slaying like the other one. Oh my gosh. I am feeling this ad. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And honestly, right now, I'm feeling the way this ad feels. Sexy. I'm feeling so sexy. Let me know, guys, which one of these caps and ads are your favorite, but I am loving them. I think I did really good this time at the store. And there's all this stuff. It's not finished. It's not finished. I told you guys this is gonna be a long haul. This one you may have seen before. This is more like an Edmund, like something that I was just wearing. It opens here, and I was wearing something similar to it, so let's show you. And you might have seen me wearing this in one of my other videos. So let's see how it looks around the head. Cute. More likely for summer, winter, what am I saying? But winter is almost gone. And my battery's dying. Okay guys, I think I have to cut it right here. There's other stuff that I wanted to show you guys, but unfortunately I won't be able to get into those right now because my battery is dying, and I'm just gonna have to say I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great month. And thank you guys for stopping by, and again, don't forget to subscribe, share my video, and ring that bell so you can see many more of my thrift. Hello, my Sparries. It's Keisha Simsima, otherwise known as no. My battery's dead.
Eh?
Are you serious?